Hey everybody, welcome back to Andrew Plus You, a channel where I take you to theme parks, adventures, concerts, entertainment, all things fun. And today I bring you to Waterside, Norfolk, Virginia, where typically there's venues that happen throughout the year, but today it is the food truck slash street food festival. I've been to this thing before and they usually had around 15 to 20 vendors. This time they have 30 vendors, food galore, drinks galore, concerts, axe throwing, all kinds of fun. I don't want to do a long intro. I do want to take you on the adventure. Let's go check it out. All right, so I did something different for this event than I've ever done before. Normally I buy admission and then I spend cash and buy stuff in the event. It adds up quickly. Maybe you're out $60, maybe you're out $100. Depends on what you want to do. But as you can see right here, I'm going to post this up here, pow. So right there, these are the things I got included with VIP. It did cost me $80 for the ticket. But for the $80, as you can see here, you get food vouchers. You get early admission with a chocolate fountain. I'm going to show you that chocolate fountain. You get an axe throwing for absolutely included. I'm sure that's a separate paid, probably costs 10, 15 bucks. We'll find it. I'll show you. You get 25% off merchandise. There's plenty of vendors here, and you get discount on merchandise, and you get a custom signature keepsake. We found out it's an apron. It says Food Festival, Waterside. It's kind of cool. I cook. I'll wear the thing. Why not? But let me go ahead and show you these things. So right here, you get a sleeve of these. It's 20. You need 5 of them for 1 item of food. Here's drink. Vouchers, you get 4. Some people don't partake in alcohol, and that's fine. They're good for alcoholic or non-alcoholic beverages. And here's the axe throwing voucher. So we're going to throw some axes. We're going to have some chocolate fountain. We're going to get some food. We're going to get some drinks. And it's all about to kick off right now. So let's go check out the festivities. All right, so the VIP is upstairs in Waterside, which is kind of cool. And it's exclusive to, so if it gets hot, you'll see it. Today's supposed to be very warm, very beautiful. And only the VIP people have access to this whole balcony area, which I think is where we're going to have our chocolate. Well, look at the view here at Waterside. Live concerts are here all the time. They have ferry boats going up from Portsmouth to Norfolk, Virginia. It's beautiful. There's always live venues going. Restaurants. I'll show you plenty of those as we go throughout the day. There's even a Carnival cruise line that comes out of Norfolk. I believe it goes to the Bahamas. All right, so the VIP tickets for this, it's Sunday. They're slightly cheaper than the Saturday VIP tickets, but tickets for this event ranged dramatically. They range from $9 to $90. It depended on which day you went, Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, and which early access ticket purchase you made. So if you bought these tickets a month ago, you got them for 10 bucks. If you got the VIP tickets, you probably got them for 40. I don't know. But the longer you waited for the event, the more expensive it became. So this is definitely, and there's a taco festival at the oceanfront. There's all kinds of Hampton Roads food festivals, and the earlier you buy your tickets, the better. So remember that. All right, so part of what I showed you already that's included with the VIP is this chocolate fountain. We're in line for it right now. We got into a line.
I don't think anyone knows what we're in line for right now.
It could be in line for anything right now. Oh, but we think it's the chocolate fountain. And if it is, I'm going to show it to you right now. If it's not the chocolate fountain, you're about to see the mystery with us. All right, so there. All right. There it is. We were not wrong. It's kind of cool looking. Fondue style. I guess you pick strawberry, marshmallow.
Like mini donuts.
Very cool. What will we get? Hey, how you doing? So we just tell you what we want, and then
So it's 2 to a stick, but you can come back out.
2 to a stick, and just come on up. All right. I would like a marshmallow, and then I'm gonna get crazy and go with a Rice Krispie treat.
Wow.
All right. So here's the selections: pineapple, pretzels. Thank you so much.
Can I do the donut and I guess the Rice Krispie treats?
Donut ball. That's a good selection. Graham crackers. Very cool.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Your camera's in mine. Hold on, we gotta
Camera
do 2.
battle.
We gotta do 2.
All right, cheers.
Cheers.
All right, take 2.
Take 2.
We got this. All right, so we are still here about an hour and a half early before the event kicks off, but we can already see that where the DJ booth is set up. It's gonna be right here. They're gonna have March Madness playing on all these televisions. I'll show an overlay right now of all of the events. But there's gonna be karaoke. There's gonna be, I mean, I'm probably gonna participate in the breakdancing. Sometimes I don't like to breakdance because I don't like to show off. And so it's not fair to others. We move around the corner here, and I see these headsets. These are gonna be for the, what do they call it? A silent rave? Silent, like when you just jam out the music by yourself in a room full of other people just jamming out to their own music. It's gonna be that thing, silent disco. And then we go outside. Oh, this door though. God, great Odin's Raven. This is the hardest door to open. For no reason, that door was hard to open.
Both of them.
Like, I actually, I just got a hernia and a slip disc opening that door right there. Maybe I'm just weak. Who knows? All right, we're in the vendor world. These are awesome. First vendor of the day. A little bit of everything. But I'll show you vendors here in a minute. The food starts right as you walk out. Macedon Timeshares. What's going on, brother? And this will be the live music stage. And even though this is a festival, food festival, there's always live music at Waterside. So even if you're not a festival, come on down to Waterside and enjoy a Friday or Saturday with the family, with the missus, with the mister. Check out some vendors. T-shirts. We saw cups, keychains, sunglasses, popcorn, gourmet popcorn. What you got here? Oh, get a little sample?
Yep.
What would you recommend?
Sweet. Banana pudding or the strawberry crunch?
Banana pudding. Why not? All right, here we get a sample. They're gonna get me too. They know they're gonna get me.
Yeah, right.
From here, right?
Yeah, grab a set of prawns and a cup.
I think 2 is good. Why are they gonna get my money? They know they're gonna get my money. All right, that popcorn was so fire. I had to meet the man himself. This is Mr. Woody. This is his business. And I said, do me a favor. Hey, do you want to talk about your business? And of course, the answer is yes. Tell me a little bit about your business.
Well, we are Mr. Woody's Gourmet Popcorn here at Virginia Beach. We've been in business now for about 6 years. We got 2 locations at Virginia Beach. So you can get all our product online at MrWoody'sGourmetPopcorn.com.
You want to show your card?
Yes, there you go. Come check us out. We do custom orders, special orders. We can make any kind of popcorn you like.
That's awesome. Hey, keep it going, brother.
Thank you.
Jewelry stand. Boardwalk snack. Salted nuts?
Yes.
Oh. I'm gonna grab a nut. Can I grab your nuts?
Yeah, go ahead, grab it.
Am I being too forward?
No, go ahead, man.
Just get on in there.
We got butter toasted here. We got honey roasted. I've got that hat at home myself too.
Nice. Where y'all located at?
So we're based out of Virginia Beach.
Right, Virginia Beach?
Yeah, it's all local.
Do you have a card or anything you want me to show you? Is there an address? A link?
Oh, here. Let me show you real quick.
You can check out our website. We're boardwalksnacks.com.
Boardwalksnacks.com.
Yep, and we're also on Amazon, Walmart, TikTok, Etsy, eBay.
QR code right there. There's a 10% discount code right there.
Fantastic.
Absolutely.
All right, I appreciate y'all. All right, so I'm going to be honest. We kind of walked around the wrong way. We're coming in like the back, like we're the vendor right now, but this is the main stomping grounds right here. Burrito tacos. Oh, it smells so good. The taco stand. I've had these tacos actually at the Virginia Beach Taco Festival, and they're fantastic. But we've got tacos, barbecue, and if you don't like American barbecue, Chinese barbecue, Miami Fusion, the lunchbox with the tornado potato. It just looks like calories that I want in my life. Drinks, ATMs. Remember, this event is only cash. The vendors will take cards, but The tickets and whatnot are cash only. This is where you buy your food vouchers. Nice setup. Plenty of table seating. Live music. Blue Moon Tap House is representing. The market is representing. Fry Factory. Croissant me, waffles, and desserts. People, of course, are trying to give away free trips and vacations and sell timeshare. I mean, anything you can think of. People are here. And it's awesome. All right. I already used some of the vouchers we got. And here we have, as you heard me say, Chinese barbecue. That's what that's from. From that initial taco stand, we have a smash burger taco, carnitas, and steak. It looks so good. And we got French fries. These French fries come from Fry Factory, and they look bomb. Can I have a French fry? Thank you, ma'am. This guy. Fine. Oh man, get out of here. They're garlic. Oh, come on, man. All right, here we go. I ran into Vi and Brittany, and they actually helped me, advised me on good food, right? So I just wanted to ask y'all, how do you like the festival so far?
I love the festival. The drinks are strong.
I'm about to get my first one here in a minute.
I got the tequila sunrise. The first place I went to was the Man's Taco. I got the taquitos. They were a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
What's
What's your overall recommendation? Best thing you've had?
I didn't have everything that I want yet, but
oh, so you got some exploring to do.
Yeah, I have some exploring to do.
Well, I do too. Let's go have some fun with it.
Okay.
All right, so it's 1:30. We're still 30 minutes away before general admission comes, and it's already starting to get lit. I cannot imagine. I bought more food tickets just because the line's about to be crazy everywhere. But in the middle of exploring that food area, I didn't even look around the corner, but there's the rest of the venue. There's more catering, barbecue, crab rangoon empanada. I mean, okay. All of the fatness is here, and I'm all for it. The potato piece. Going on, brother. Sugar Shack. Live entertainment. And my man is killing it. Azteca wing. Empanadas. That says something. I don't even want to butcher it. I'm sorry. More tacos. Oh man, it's gonna be delicious. Going on. Barbecue, coleslaw. Speaking to me. Deep fried chicken and waffles on a stick. That's the only way to eat deep fried chicken and waffles, I think. On a stick. Sugar Shack doubling down. I think they were 5 trucks back. People like sweets. Oh no, this is the savory. So Sugar Shack has soul food. Yep. I'm going there next. Alright, so these are the egg rolls we just bought downstairs. And we're outside. It's nice. It's a nice day, but it's getting warm. I look at Mandy and I said, it's la hot outside. La hot. Why would we eat down here when we're VIP? So everywhere I go, I kind of meet somebody. This is Fabio. And I asked him, he said yes. I just wanted to show your apron because I put mine in the car and I talked about it. But this is the keepsake item that you get when coming to the event with the VIP. So it's pretty cool. I mean, you can cook in it. I appreciate you, Fabio. All right, food street festival, street food festival. The words are coming out of my mouth. Is lit, and it's so lit that it's actually hard to walk around. But the live music is good. DJs, bands, And it smells so good. Street Food Festival, man. Ah, it's awesome. We're making our way over to axe throwing, and I think that's gonna be our last thing of the day. We ate, we drank. Calorie intake is on point. All right, so we've stumbled upon it. We actually couldn't find this for the longest, but we've hit the axe throwing. I'm kind of intimidated to do it, not because I'm afraid to throw axes, but I was a runner-up to the 1996 Olympic team for axe throwing, so I try to stay humble with it. Let's see what I got.
Swing just a little bit.
Swing it.
All right, Mandy's getting a little tutorial here.
Pull back, step into that.
All right, my man.
So I'm
all
gonna
right, time
step
out.
back and
My man is
throw,
a
right?
sniper with
Okay.
it.
Step forward and
Step
go.
forward. That's what I meant. Step forward. Okay, and I throw, and I just pull up and throw right there. Okay.
You got this.
All right?
Pull it up and
When you're up,
after.
when you step, I did it again.
You know what? I'm counting
Oh,
it.
it's a bullseye.
I'm
All right,
counting.
here I go. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
Like a boss. All right. So yeah. So like basically what you did,
That was a
you
flop.
should do what he did.
Thank you for that.
I mean,
Comes
I'm
my life.
dropping knowledge.
A little bit of cold.
Ooh.
I mean, I hit the wood.
You
Is
threw that like you were mad at somebody.
I am. Bahala!
100% improvement. Got it.
Helheim!
Elheim. There you go.
Congratulations. Take your video.
All right, so that was Andrew plus you, and that was me taking you to Waterside Street Food Festival. If you enjoyed the content, you had a good time, you learned something, maybe you're interested in coming next year to Waterside, Norfolk, Virginia, please do me a favor, like, subscribe. I'm going to keep content going as axes are being thrown behind me. But yes, entertainment, theme parks, adventure, fun. Keep coming along for the adventures. I'm going to keep the content coming. Next week, I'm going camping. I'm going to show you how we do it in the middle of nowhere. So I hope you have a blessed day. On to the next video. Take care. Bye.